Thank you, Mrs. Narrator.
You're funny. You're cute.
Do I need more?
Hang on.
You don't. Wait till
That
stop
works.
it. That's creepy. You're my sister's friend.
Oh,
Germ, don't
so I'm
spill
not
it.
allowed to think.
Just
my
eat
best
it.
friend's brother is the
it.
one for me. Uh-huh.
Come on, eat it.
Do it! Just pour it in your mouth.
Wait, was that the cumin or the cinnamon?
Cinnamon.
Talk again. Say something funny.
That's disgusting.
It's like Jennifer at the drama initiation. Yeah.
Move your foot.
Only mine tasted like sugar.
I want Jeremy. I want chicken.
It's like stuck to my mouth.
Yeah. Is it in your nose
Now
yet?
it's stuck down. Yeah. Now it's stuck in like my throat. It's like on the wall.
Yeah, go get a drink. Go get a drink before you die.
I'm like,